of a fall.
You guys want to go down the slide?
Colton. Okay, I'm here to catch you.
All right, come on, Addison. Whoa! Oh, Daddy lied. I even have that on video. You're like, I'm here to catch you. And she like flies to the ground. Daddy, that's rough.
Oh.
Colton, you want to come slide?
She's like, let me down.
Colton, come here.
We're not going to put that one on YouTube.
That's hilarious, though.
Well,
It's good for our records.
Right.
Oh, you're going to go down the stairs?
oh, let's go down the slide over here. Come on, buddy. Try it. Come on. You're going to go down the stairs. Okay. All right. So
Colton, you don't want to go down the slide? No slide? Okay. Addison, are you going to try the slide again? You're so brave with it now. Now that you've taken a fall, you know how to handle it.
She's doing 2 stairs at a time.
Yeah. Stairs?
This is really good for her.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you want to do this slide? Let's try this slide. Addison, try this slide.
Try that slide. Come on down. Is it hot? I was afraid of that because the sun's on it. Hot, hot? It's too hot for her. Do the other one.
Oh, it's not that
Woo! Here comes Colton. Here comes Colton. Sissy's excited. Woo! Good job, Colton. Again? Again, Colty. Yeah. Too bad this isn't our backyard.
No doubt. I wonder what something like that would cost in the backyard. You probably wouldn't get past the HOA anyway.
Oh, that's true. It'd have to be smaller.
Yeah.
We have room for it, though.
Yeah. Why don't you stop filming and we can talk?
Okay, hang on. Hey, Addison, Colton, can you say bye-bye? Look at the camera. Come here. No, we're not going bye-bye. Okay, say cheese. Show me your smiley face. Oh, you want to do the slide one more time? Okay. Come here. Do the slide. Do the slide.
Let go.
1, 2, 3, go! Good girl.
Good job.
You're so good at the slide. You got it, Colton? Oh, Addison's got you, Colton. Good job, you guys. Again? Again, Colty?
Some little ones. Are you done?